Hello, I'm Jenny. This time I'm exploring research and development in UK manufacturing, because understanding where R&D happens helps you identify RDEC claim eligibility. It's not just about high-level scientific breakthroughs. Many developments from tooling improvements and creating manufacturing workstations to advanced 3D printing can involve R&D. Then there is robotics, automation, and smart manufacturing, used to transform production lines. And electronics, specialist equipment and component manufacturing, such as for electric vehicles or medical devices. Even everyday manufacturing, such as food processing, packaging, and textiles, see constant innovation. And, of course, new gadgets and consumer electronics involve advances that impact our everyday activities. Even smaller projects can qualify, enabling UK manufacturers of all sizes to benefit. By recognizing your own innovations, you too can leverage RDEC incentives. To find out more, follow the links in my video description. Like and subscribe. It's the easy option to stay informed.